Basilka, IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at the first question from the Linear Digital SAT Test 1, Reading and Writing, and it reads, former astronaut Ellen Ochoa says that although she doesn't have a definite idea of when it might happen, she blanked that humans will someday need to be able to live in other environments than those found on Earth. This conjecture informs her interest in research missions to the moon. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word? So, when you read the question, a couple of things that you could do. You could think of, hey, what word would fit the blank? Think your own word that would fit the blank and look for a synonym in the answer choices. So, she thinks that humans will sometimes need to be able to live in other environments, blah, 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 blah. And then you go to the answer choices, look for a synonym of thinks. You could also see if there's a synonym or an antonym to the blank already in the sentence. It looks like conjecture. What's conjecture mean? Well, it comes from Latin jacere, which means to throw. And it basically means an idea thrown together, like an educated guess. So we could take that with us to the answer choices as well. So now the word think or the word educated guess, we need a synonym to that. The question asks, which choice completes text with most logical and precise word or phrase? Demands, she can't be like, hey humans, you need to live in other environments. Okay, she's not demanding that happens. Speculate, notice the S-P-E-C there. That's the same speculate as in spectator, one who watches, or spectacles, something you look through. So when you speculate, you're like looking ahead, and it's something you think might happen, and conjecture, idea thrown together, an idea of what you think might happen. Looks like a good fit for the blank. Answer choice C, doubts that humans will sometime they need to live in other environments. She wouldn't be interested in research. The next sentence says that informs her interest in future research missions to the moon. She would think that research missions to the moon are worthless if she had no thought that we would possibly wind up living there. Answer choice D, establishes that humans will someday need to be able to live in other environments. Well, she doesn't have the power to establish that. That's something that's going to happen outside her control, but she is a former astronaut, so there are some things that she would be involved in that. Anyway, correct answer here is going to be speculate. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with sentence completion questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.